Got out of the house today. It was cloudy and rainy today. The sky's clearing up a little bit. You can see the sun over there. It's clearing up. It's about 46, so it's just been rainy. We've had probably about a week of, really cold nights, like 27 degrees and clear skies. That type of bitter cold, but no, and frost. And then that fog there for about a couple of weeks before that. And then today it just started raining, and there's a weather forecast for the last couple of days about snow and rain. And they're predicting probably next Tuesday we'll have snow here. But you can tell everything is, all the trees have went through their cycle. They're all the leaves have fallen off. All the leaves are gone, and the sky is gray. What is it named? California Dreamin'. Yep. But California's not doing too good right now. No. No. Nobody is really. There's lots of weird things happening. The clouds are kind of funky. That's west. And this is north, where I showed you going straight ahead. That's actually the fairgrounds over in that area. That's the airport to the west. Wonder if I can get the camera to turn. That's southwest. Sky's pretty funky though. Now you gotta take in consideration my side window here. It's kind of got a tint to it. Not much, but a little bit. People out walking their doggies. See if we can zoom in. Cute doggies. Anyway, have a great day today.